My brother, I said I will flex you. Just enjoy yourself.
But no, this beer na for inside fridge for bring our beef for microwave. My beer go just hot like this now. And you sharp myself, I want to kill you to enjoyment. That's true, you really want to kill me. Eh? You never hear of Vessels Lounge for JRA for Benin here. Once you enter first football, once you're by the left, number 18, go back there, you're done. Now the Vessels Lounge, that place they get cold drink, mortuary standard. But even if you say you want chop safe, they get better restaurant. But if you chop their food, be like Last Supper. Even if you say you can't drink safe, you don't want to go house, you want lodge, make for tough. But they still get better accommodation. And you feel lodge. What for you? Oh, for your money, don't want to kill you, put. But like now, Vessels Lounge now, they get professional bartenders, well trained, who will attend to you well. They go carry me call this kind of place. Go meet me for Vessels Lounge. Yeah? Tell me to go carry their agreement to go make it back.
Bros, I don't understand, bros, you know me. What do you find for back? You got to look this back 3 good times. You look the first time I not talk. You look the second time I not. The third time I don't understand. Who you be? You that's what you know me. Yeah!
Hello, Kabeki. You see the Vessels Lounge? I dey come, Nana.